In this tutorial, I will show you how to open up your Toyota Sequoia key fob to change the internal battery at home. Now, all you will need is one of these CR2032 batteries, and if you'd like to get one of those online, I will leave a link down in the description so you can pick one up on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. The first step here is just to look to the side of the device. You can see there's that button there that says push. Hold that down and pull out the internal key. Now we will use a regular flathead screwdriver here. So you can see this is the keyhole that the key was just in, and then perpendicular to that, we have this little slot in the plastic. We're going to put our flathead screwdriver into that area and just twist. And this thing will pop open. You can set this to the side, and you can just pull out this little circuit board that has the battery in it. You can use the same flathead screwdriver here. Just look up at the top. We're going to put this in between the battery and the plastic behind it. So just kind of hold your little component here firmly and just push the corner of the flathead in there. And once it slides behind, this battery will be very easy to take out. So I will show you that once more. Looking at the top, I'm just going to put my flathead right in there. And don't go shoving it in there, just apply some constant pressure and you'll feel it kind of slide behind the battery, and then you can just take it out like that. CR2032 battery, make sure that is what you're using. And if you don't know where to find one of those, make sure you check out that link in the description. And when you're putting your new battery in there, make sure the positive side goes face up. So if I can get it to focus. So you want that text, the side with the plus side on it, and that text, you'll just click it back in really easily, and you want to see that plus facing up. Now you can take the back part of plastic here, and you see that circle. The battery is going to sit directly on top of that circle. So just drop that in there, and now we can just click the two halves back together and put your key back in. So I hope that was simple enough, and I really hope that helped you out. If it did, feel free to let me know down in the comment section, or just give this video a like so it can find other people and help them too. And if you ever need help changing another battery in any of your key fobs, we have tutorials for pretty much every maker model here on YouTube, as well as on our website, fobbattery.com.